Hi everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how to draw this dinosaur. First, you're going to start off with a rounded triangle shaped head. Next, you're going to want to put small triangle spikes on the back of the head. When drawing eyes, you want to make one big and one smaller. Only draw half of the second eye. Next, you're adding a cute rounded smile and you're ready to start with the arms. You want the arms to be curved and short. This gives a cute appearance. Towards the back of the head, you want to draw a line going down. This is going to be the back and the tail. After playing around with different shades of green, I found a muted green looked better than a vibrant one. You can save the vibrant green for the spikes. To give the eyes some dimension, fill them in black and add 2 different sized white circles. The small highlight gives the eyes a sparkling appearance. Next up is a balloon. This is super simple to draw. You have a wavy line with an oval at the top. You can fill it in with any color. To give your balloon some dimension, use a lighter and darker shade of your balloon color to highlight and add depth. Apply the lighter shade towards the top so it looks like the sun is coming down, and the darker shade towards the bottom. You can add a white rounded triangle for a highlight in the light portion. Thank you for watching my video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what type of videos you would like to see next.